Hi, this is Paul from Model Builder International. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, the link is down there. When you do that, you'll get notified of future videos, that's builds, reviews and competitions. Today we're going to have a look at a set of decals from Lifelike. This one is their new 1/48th A5M Part 1 sheet. Okay, so let's have a look, see what we get. First off, it's by Lifelike Decals, kit 48053, it's 1/48th scale. It's on the Mitsubishi A5M, and this is part 1. There's actually 3 sets of these. And there's 12 different marking sets inside, designed with the fine molds or the Wingsy kits. I know for a fact the Wingsy kits they're a new company. Quite new on the market, and their A5M seems to be pretty good from what I hear. Also on the front here, Lifelike Decals, as it says, wants to hear from you and your input. So if you think of something better, you've got some other references, some more information about something in here, or you find something that's not quite right, email them. They'd love to hear from you. And there's their website, and what they also do is if there's correction sheets, they'll put them up they'll put notifications about them on the website, and you can get those correction sheets free of charge, I believe. So they're a really, should we say, end-user friendly company. So let's just have a look. First thing I like is the bag is quite a fair bit bigger than the decals. You don't have to mess around with them to get the decals out of the bag. Like some companies, they use the smallest bag possible, which makes it really tricky for getting the decals out without bending them. So we've got 2 decal sheets. One is mostly Hinamaru, and the other one is obviously most of the colourful decals. I'll map those in a second. And then we have, let's look here, we've got 2 sheets. One is, there's your 12 aircraft. Lots of different coloured options. Obviously the orange one, we have trainer version, probably later in the war. Springs to mind, green one, all the different colours here. Plenty of different options. This is the common markings, the stencils, the 21 reference documents that they've used to pull all this together. And this is one thing I do like about Lifelike is you get another sheet, as soon as I can open it up. This is double-sided information on each of the 12. This will contain all the little subtle bits of information that you need to make it exactly right. And differences they find in the references. Basically, this sheet contains an absolute ton of information about the 12 aircraft. And there's all sorts of information, like even here, that when the tail code T was first used for this particular aircraft. So there's a lot of information here, background information, more than you usually find with most decal companies. So let's have a look. What I'll do now is I'll put the decal sheets up on the screen and just scroll them down while I talk about them. So you've got quite a few different options here. You're going to have a fair amount of decals left over. There's plenty of scope here for using or making more than one aircraft out of the 12. It's not use one and the other 11 can never be used. You've got a complete list of stencils that are used, and looks like there's enough for probably a couple of sets of stencils on here. I can see there's duplicates of some of them already to allow you to do make more than one aircraft using what you've got here. If you use the stencils from the fine molds of the Wingsy kit, you can make multiples off this sheet. And as always with Lifelike, the backing film is pretty tight around the items on the decal sheet. You can't see it around most things. The only place you can see it is with the lettering and the numbers, where obviously you need the film to keep things lined up. Other than that, it's invisible. Colours are nice and bright. Everything seems to line up. So all in all, a really nice decal set from Lifelike Decals. So many thanks to Lifelike for sending it along for us to have a look at.